On July the 5th, 2018, we will be celebrating the 70th anniversary of the NHS, which was established in 1948 by its founding father, a Welshman, Aneurin Bevan. This 70th anniversary provides the Shared Services Partnership with the opportunity to join with other NHS organisations to help celebrate the achievements of the nation's most loved institution. We've all been touched in one way or another by the NHS development over the last 70 years. This has been possible through significant advances and breakthroughs in medical technology and science. The NHS is the largest employer in the UK. Within Wales, we currently directly employ over 90,000 staff, with many more thousands working within the primary care and community care settings. I am privileged to be able to lead the Shared Services Partnership and fully recognise the important support, the role that we play in helping support the critical frontline healthcare delivery across Wales. Partnership working with a strong focus on customers has been two of our main drivers behind the success of the Shared Services Partnership's journey to date. However, key to our success has been the hard work and dedication shown by our staff. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for your continued support, without which the frontline NHS could not simply run. I hope you're able to join in with the various events and celebrations over the next few weeks. Pen-blwydd hapus. Happy birthday, NHS.